Ever pressed the gas pedal and felt like your car just isn't responding like it used to? You might think it's the fuel or the spark plugs, but guess what? A dirty engine air filter could be the real reason your car feels lazy. Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here. Let's dive into the 5 symptoms of a dirty engine air filter that could be slowing down your car. And trust me, number 5 might surprise you. 1. Sluggish acceleration. If your car feels heavy or slow when you hit the gas, it's likely your air filter is clogged. A dirty filter restricts airflow into the engine, which messes with the air-fuel mix. Less air means less power, simple as that. 2. Poor fuel economy. Notice your fuel tank emptying faster than usual? That's because your engine is compensating for reduced air by burning more fuel. A clean air filter ensures the perfect balance, giving you better mileage and saving you money. 3. Check engine light. Sometimes a restricted filter can cause a check engine light to come on. The sensor detects an improper air-fuel ratio, which might trigger the warning. Before panicking, check your air filter. It could be an easy fix. 4. Black smoke or rough idle. If you see black smoke from the exhaust or feel the engine shaking when idling, your engine could be getting too much fuel and not enough air. That's a classic symptom of a clogged air filter choking the airflow. 5. Dirty or whistling intake sound, the shocker. This one's often missed. Listen carefully under the hood. If you hear unusual sucking or whistling noises, your engine might be struggling to breathe. That's your car literally gasping for air through a blocked filter. There you have it. 5 signs your engine air filter might be crying for a change. A simple inspection can save you from costly repairs and keep your car performing like new. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment with your car's make and model, and tell me if you've ever noticed any of these symptoms. Don't forget to subscribe to Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here.